A UK-based Nigerian medical doctor is in the news for the wrong reason. Dr. Kelvin is a medical doctor who is trained to save lives. Unfortunately, the medical doctor is now in the news for the wrong reason. Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us at the Lodge Club, where we bring you the latest update about the lived experience of immigrants in the diaspora. There's no substitute to information. If you want to stay informed, this is the place where you will get the latest update about the lived experience of immigrants in the diaspora. This doctor is a well-known doctor. He has been known for working as a consultant, as a psychiatrist. Let's hear the doctor.
Just get me, girls.
Okay.
I can make it in the know about. All I need is just put out the feelers in my community. These people are not supposed to pay.
They're not what,
They're
sir?
not supposed to pay. They are paying because they know it's most likely the only way. Some of them are in the UK, they know without getting. But I do them up front, so they know. They are that page. With having a COS without ours is that you can do any city you can go to Bradford, you can stay in London, you can live anywhere.
The reason why I wanted to see you is I would rather have this discussion in person.
Are you wearing a wire?
As you can see that is Dr. Kelvin Alaneme. Kelvin is a consultant doctor. He is a psychiatrist, not a consultant, whose training is about how to help people who have mental illness. Unfortunately, it appears that Kelvin has other talent. The report making it rank is that Kelvin has exploited a lot of Nigerians, and he was working with a company called Efficiency Care, and they have now ruined many Nigerians' lives. I want you to listen to this video. This is the video, another video of Kelvin.
This is Dr. Alaneme, a UK-based Nigerian doctor, telling an undercover journalist he charges foreign workers for jobs in UK care homes. This is illegal.
They are paying because they know it's most likely the only way.
In another meeting, he suggests she could also make money from the scam.
Just get me, girls.
Okay.
I can make it in the know about.
The BBC began investigating Dr. Alaneme following a series of online complaints about services his company offers. Grace, who is from Nigeria, says he paid Dr. Alaneme £10,000 for a job at a care home in Clapton, in Essex.
So you come here to have a look at where you're supposed to work. You know, you're excited.
When he arrived in the country, there was no job.
I have known there was no job, I would not have come here.
But I was running out of money.
I was stranded.
A year later, Chris found another care provider willing to sponsor him to stay in the UK.
At least back home in Nigeria, if you go broke, I can find my sister and go and eat free food. It's not the same there. You will go hungry.
The government says it has introduced new measures against employers who abuse the system. Dr. Alaneme says his company only offers legitimate services, does not provide jobs for cash, and is not a scam. He says he passed on Crazy's money to a recruitment agent and offered to help him find another job.
I want you to leave your comment about what you have heard. Dr. Kelvin Alaneme, he said he hasn't done anything wrong. He said he was telling these Nigerians that he doesn't have a job, but he will get them into the UK with COS. When they come to the UK, that is up to them how they sort themselves out. Meanwhile, this guy, his conduct, I want you to let me know whether you think that the conduct of this guy and others, whether he undermine public trust and confidence in the medical profession. Mind you, Kelvin went to school to learn how to save life and improve people's well-being. But what he is doing now is actually an anathema to the practice of a medical doctor, because his action that as it's being reported is going to stress people, because when people have lost everything that they've worked for, invested it in a project that they want to come to abroad, and only for them to be scammed, can you imagine the pain that these Nigerians are going through as we speak? This is an issue that those of you that have been following the Lunch Club, you are aware that we have claimed more than £135,000 from Nigerian victims of COS who were promised, who were sold life in England would be great, but when they came, they now realized that they have been dumped. Now, Kelvin is saying there's nothing wrong in what he has done. He said he was working with another company called Efficiency Care, who I understand is owned by another Nigerian, Caroline Adesoji Usaini. Also, a director of the company is Aisha Bello. These people's name, Aisha Bello's name, has been on our radar. We've had a lot of reports of our company also taking money from Nigeria. So the issue we're talking about is that Dr. Kelvin's profession, his conduct has undermined public trust in the profession, because he is now everywhere. He is now famous today for the wrong reason, because he has exploited older, vulnerable Nigeria. There is a case of another Nigerian who came in through this medical doctor. As you can see, this guy whose name is Promise said this doctor collected money from him, and at the end of the day, this doctor understood his circumstances. This is another Nigerian who have paid this doctor, collected money from him, and at the end of the day, he was told that when he comes to England, he will get a job. Now, these guys, he has sold everything that he had, moved to England, only for him to be scammed. The question I'm asking you is that, what is your view? Do you have any sympathy for this doctor, or do you think that the doctor's action is wrong? What he has done, it's undermined trust in the medical field. The doctor is saying that he has brought, according to him, he said he has helped a lot of people. He said those people that are satisfied with his service, there are almost 10,000 people. Let me know what your views are, whether you think that you have any sympathy for the doctor or you don't see anything wrong in what he has done. He is saying that he hasn't done anything wrong. He has helped a lot of Nigerians, according to him. He said he told them before they came to the UK that he doesn't have a job, but these people were still determined to come to the UK because of the hardship in Nigeria. The picture you are seeing here is one of the victims of Dr. Kelvin's atrocity. This gentleman came to the UK, he said he gave Dr. Kelvin £10,000. This guy is a medical doctor. He gave him £10,000, came to the UK, sold his belongings, came to the UK, and Dr. Kelvin scammed him. There is another case. This is ravaging. There is a case of another Ghanaian who is based in the UK. This is the picture of the Ghanaian who we have reported that he has again tarnished, exploited Africans. When Asians have opportunities to help themselves, they will help their people. But when Black people have opportunity, instead of helping themselves and lifting others, they will want to use it to exploit their own people. Let me know what your views are. Are you a victim, or do you know anyone who's a victim? Don't forget to give this video a like. More people from our community need to see. Dr. Kelvin's action has on the